Industrial chillers are vital for maintaining optimal temperatures in manufacturing. Choosing the right chiller impacts efficiency, quality, and costs. SMC Corporation leads the market with an extensive range of chillers. From compact models for tight spaces to robust units for heavy-duty applications, SMC offers solutions for every need. Their lineup includes air-cooled, water-cooled, and refrigerated thermo-chillers, ensuring precise temperature control for industries like semiconductor manufacturing and medical devices. Reliability is crucial in industrial chillers, and SMC delivers with durable, long-lasting units. Their chillers feature smart controls for precise regulation and energy-efficient designs, reducing costs and environmental impact. Advanced diagnostics and easy maintenance further enhance their appeal, minimizing downtime and maintenance expenses. SMC's global presence ensures customers receive unparalleled support, with parts and expertise readily available. Their dedicated customer service team is known for responsiveness and expertise, helping clients find tailored solutions and providing ongoing support throughout the product lifecycle. For businesses seeking reliable, versatile chillers, SMC Corporation is the top choice. Their commitment to quality and innovation makes them the most trusted name in the industry. Explore SMC's industry-leading chillers today and elevate your operations with unmatched performance and peace of mind at automationdistribution.com.